Welcome to Cocktails and Cooking with Kat and Nat. If you like our recipes, subscribe to our channel so you get notifications every time we deliver a recipe.
You just saw her real serious, and then she walked in like she was a new person.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm an actress. All right, I think the salad dressing tastes better when you make it yourself.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you a Caesar salad dressing straight from scratch. No cream, no mayonnaise, a nice olive oily Dijon salad dressing.
Do you know what Dijon is? Fancy moutarde.
All right, we're gonna take a bowl. I like to make it in the bowl that you're making the salad, and then you just put your salad on top, and then you mix it after, okay? All right, usually I'd use fresh garlic, okay?
Do you want more garlic than this? I have a whole nother container.
No, I think we should be good.
She's good.
Here.
She's fine.
I would usually microplane a garlic clove in here, but this is what we do. We deal with what we've got. Okay, there's our garlic.
I prefer the chopped garlic that is already chopped for you.
Dijon mustard.
Dijon mustard. Okay.
Okay. We need the juice of a lemon, a half a lemon.
That's aggressive. It's like very sensual. That's a sensual way.
Before we add the olive oil, I'm gonna get Kat to whisk this up.
I just throw this around, throw it around. I got a whisk. She makes me do the dirty work.
No. Salt?
No, that's the wrong one. No.
All right, I'm gonna start with the black pepper, okay? Because you wanna have black pepper in your dressing. It adds flavor, it adds heat. Whisk in the pepper.
It was such a good one. You know what I have though now?
While I'm waiting for the salt, I'm going to whisk in. Oh yeah, let's do some all that. Whisk in some olive oil.
This is a $30 salt, so make sure you eat a lot of it because it's $30.
Now, again, because it's Caesar, we want to go ahead and we're going to use my favorite item in the kitchen. Rest it on here. And let's put some Parmesan Reggiano.
Parmesan Reggiano.
Watch how it flies in there. Now, guys, when you're making a salad dressing, you could add so many ingredients. You could add something sweet. You could add a different vinegar.
But you're making Caesar.
This is Caesar. Whisk that up. Look at how nice and thick that is without any dairy.
Oh, well, this is technically dairy. Shh. Cheese is technically dairy.
Taste it. Okay, there you go. You're just adding some lettuce, simply.
Okay.
Not that one. And this. Okay. Now we get a little pair of tongs.
Okay. Just
Where do we keep our tongs? Where do we keep our tongs? Let's add some more Parmesan on top.
I gave you white tongs. Nice try.
Oh, well, we're gonna toss the salad.
Just 1 second.
Toss in the salad. Toss in the salad.
Wow.
You gotta toss your salad. And I would suggest.
I think me adding the salt really took it over the edge.
I really did. Add some fresh ground pepper. Shave a little parm on top.
Wow, you guys use my roots now.
Shave and toss.
There is your Caesar salad. Made from scratch. It's fresh. It's delicious. It took 2 seconds to make. Caesar salad from scratch. We'd get forks.
I have forks.
I love radicchio.
Natalie, that's a 3-minute
salad dressing.
You know who's gonna love this for lunch?
Maxie. All right, guys. If you like this recipe and you want to see more easy recipes to make in the kitchen with Kat and Nat, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on your notifications. Give us a thumbs up so every time we drop another recipe, it comes right at you, and you get to cook with us.
Now, let's also go with all the recipes. I'm just saying. Make sure you subscribe because more recipes are coming.
Have a great day. Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun.